This video is going to show how to take the Toraiz Squid and control the Toraiz SP16. This could also apply to really any other sampler or sequencer that you have, but definitely having both from the Toraiz series makes it quite easy to set up everything. To get started, let's find which pad we want to control on the SP16. So let's do a little drum pattern. So I'm going to start by sequencing that kick. That's pad number 5. And with the SP16, each pad will receive down its assigned MIDI channel. So pad 5 would receive down MIDI channel 5. Pad 6 would be channel 6, 7, 7, and etc., etc. And with the Squid, I have a 5-pin MIDI output plugged from the Squid into the MIDI input of the SP16. What that means is that I can go track and select different tracks and have a MIDI assignment. I change the assignment with my rotary encoder. So I want to go out MIDI 1, channel 5, which will send into that pad. Let's go to trigger, and I'm going to go to an empty pattern. This is part of a project that I've already been demonstrating with. So let's go to pattern number 3, and I'm going to go to trigger, and I'm going to add in the notes where I want it to make a sound. Now for this setup, I have Ableton Live as the clocking source. So what that means is that this USB cable is taking MIDI from this USB output, which is feeding from Ableton Live. The way that I prepare this in Ableton Live is I go Live, Preferences, and with the link MIDI tab selected on the left, I make sure that the sync is on for the input and the output of the Toraiz Squid. This means that Ableton Live can either receive clocking information from the Squid, or Ableton can send to it as well. In this situation, it'll be sending the clock information. On the Toraiz Squid, to get it to receive the clock, press Global and use your rotary encoder and go down. And when you see Sync Source, push in the rotary encoder and select USB MIDI. Now it'll be getting clocked from that USB input. Let's push Global to get out of this page.